Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pakistani Girl in USA. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can easily add reviews to your Shopify store completely free. Reviews are super important for building trust with your customers and increasing sales. So let's get started. Now we will talk about how to add reviews to your Shopify store for free. I will guide you step by step. Adding reviews to your Shopify store is one of the easiest ways to build trust, increase credibility, and boost sales. The good news is that you don't need to spend money. Shopify offers free options that allows you to add reviews directly to your store. Now I will guide you step by step from starting to end. Step number 1, that is log into your Shopify admin panel. The first step is to sign in to your Shopify store. Go to shopify.com and enter your login details. Once inside, you will be on the Shopify admin dashboard, which is your main control center for managing product, apps and themes. Step number 2, open the Shopify App Store. From the left hand menu on your dashboard, click on Apps, then select Shopify App Store. This is where you can find free and paid apps. To extend your store's functionality, since Shopify does not include reviews by default, you will need to install a review app. Step number 3, search for a free product review app. In the App Store search bar, type product reviews. You will see multiple apps available. The most popular free choices include Shopify Product Reviews app, official and free, simple, beginner friendly, and directly from Shopify. Judge Me Product Reviews free plan available, highly rated with advanced features like automated review request and SEO friendly display. Now choose the one that suits you need. If you are just starting, Shopify's free app is a very great choice. Step number 4, install the app. Click on the app you selected and then hit the Add App button. Shopify will ask you to approve permissions so the app can integrate with your store. After confirming, the installation will complete and the app will appear in your Shopify dashboard. Step number 5, configure the app setting. Once installed, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. You will now set up how reviews will work in your Shopify store. Typical settings include whether reviews are published automatically or need manual approval, whether customers can leave star rating, written reviews or photo reviews. Email notification to inform you when new reviews are submitted. Take a few minutes to adjust these ratings according to your preferences. Step number 6, that is add the reviews section to product pages. Now it is a time to display reviews on your store. Go to online store, then themes, then customize. Select your product page template, click add section or block and choose product reviews. Place the reviews section where you want it, usually below the product description and above the related product section. Click save to update your theme. This ensures customer can see existing reviews and leave new ones easily. Step number 7, test the previews feature. Before going live, test the feature to ensure everything works correctly. You can add a sample review manually and then preview your store to see how it looks. Make sure the layout fits well with your theme and the star rating display properly. Step number 8, collect real customer reviews. Once everything is set up, the next step is getting actual reviews. Here is how you can collect more reviews. Send follow up emails after purchase asking for feedback. Encourage customers with small discounts or coupons in exchange for reviews. Add a review request card inside your packaging. Remember, the more reviews you collect, the more trustworthy your store will appear. Step number 9, that is moderate and manage reviews. Not all reviews will be perfect, and that's okay. Use the app's dashboard to manage them. Approve reviews before publishing to avoid spam. Respond to negative reviews politely and professionally. Highlight positive reviews by showcasing them on your homepage or social media. Now it's a time of talk about step number 10, that is optimize reviews. For SEO and sales, reviews don't just build trust, they also help with search engine optimization. Many reviews apps let Google read your star rating, which can appear in search result as rich snippets. This make your store stand out and attract more clicks. You can also show star rating in product grids and homepage section to increase sales. It's a time of talk about importance of reviews in a Shopify store. Customer reviews are one of the most powerful tools for building trust in an online business. When someone visits your store for the very first time, they don't know you personally, so they look for social proof. Reviews act as that proof by showing real experiences from past buyers. Positive reviews reassure new customers that your products are high quality and reliable, while even a few negative reviews, when handled properly, show that your business is transparent and genuine. Reviews also play a big role in boosting sales and conversion. Studies show that shoppers are more likely to buy when they see good ratings and positive comments. So, guys, in short, reviews not only build customer trust but also bring in more traffic and help turn visitors into loyal buyers. We will discuss about common mistakes to avoid with Shopify reviews. While adding reviews is important, many store owners make mistakes that reduce their effectiveness. The biggest mistake is posting fake reviews. Customers can often spot inauthentic feedback, and if they feel deceived, they will never return. Always collect genuine reviews from real customers. Another common mistake is ignoring negative reviews. Some sellers delete them right away, but that actually make your store look suspicious. Instead, reply politely and offer solution. A professional response can turn a negative review into positive impression for other shoppers. So guys, finally, avoid mistake of not moderating reviews. Without moderation, spam or inappropriate content can appear on your store, which looks unprofessional. Make sure you check reviews regularly, approve quality ones, and highlight the best feedback across your store and social media. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate the time you take to join me here and learn something new. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to add reviews to your Shopify store for free was very helpful for you. Reviews may seem like a small detail, but as we discussed, they can make a huge difference in building trust, boosting your sales, and helping your store grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pakistani Girl in USA and leave a comment if you have any question. See you in the next video. Goodbye.